Okay, we're just on a cathedral roof here. Sorry about the chainsaw in the background, but we've got our flat pipe here, and we just lifted that sheet there. You can see with a bit of sallow on it still, and we've pumped back this way. We've pumped all the way the full length of the pipe, right? So we don't have to lift any of those sheets. And then, and now we've just lifted this sheet here, which is another 1, 2, 3 sheets past the end of that pipe where it got to, and I can lift this up here and just have a look, right? And oh, I forgot to take that screw out. Just a second. Why is the drill not working? Okay.